See this, guys, new way of earning money. You can see this, $55, okay, $40. You just need to work. You can see this, $150 per job. How people are actually giving this much amount of money on this $500. Do you want to know? Just watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn. You can see this, $1,500+ per project. Okay, watch this video till the end so that you can also earn this much amount of. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online just by following some simple steps, guys. You can see this, you can work remotely over this website, and you can see this, guys, how big companies, Forbes, Entrepreneur, you can see this, Medium, how they are actually earning money. Okay, they are just posting their projects and we are the people who are doing the job for them. Work from home job, and you can see this, guys, per hour pay is $20, minimum is this $25, and lots and more. How to do it? Okay, how to get this job? You can see this, guys, you can see the $84+ million this website has pay off to their freelancers. Okay, and guys, hourly rate, you can see this, 6 million plus hourly rate they are having. And the best part is that, guys, the traffic over this website, the freelancer traffic, okay, is less as compared to the jobs that they are posting. So there is a good chance that you can grab this opportunity and can earn money per hourly. Okay, so how to do it, guys? How to do it? You can see this, I'll just show you what type of jobs you can do, whether it is of game development and all, whether it is, you can see this, logo designing, animation, and one more thing that I can show you what type of things you can do and promote things over this website and you can earn money. You can see this, copyright, article writing, resume letters and cover letters. You can see this, you can do it, do these kind of jobs. And guys, data entry professionals, just doing the data typing job, and you're getting paid for that. It's the best job that you can do. Okay, so what type of things we can do and how to do it, I'm going to show you. So first, what you need to do, guys, is to just come up here and just click on this sign up button. Okay, and just click on this, I want to find remote work. Okay, just click on this, and guys, you can manually type your first name, last name, email address and password, and then do the validation, okay, verification. Otherwise, what you can do, you can sign up with Google. Very best option, I can say that. Automatically the sign up process is done. You can see this, I just need to click on this my Google account, and you can see this, guys. See this, okay. Are you representing a company? No, I'm not representing, I'm an individual personality. So I just need to complete my profile. So for that, I just need to click on this, and guys, you just need to select your profile picture. Okay, whatever profile picture you are having. So for sample, I can take any. So let me just take a sample of it. Guys, it's just a demo. Okay, this is not my avatar. Okay, so it's just a sample that you need to do. Okay, so it will take some time to do the cropping part. Okay, just wait for this time, and you can see this avatar is uploaded. Okay, so now what you need to do is to just select your hourly rate. So I can select 24 hours, $24 per hour, and you can manage this thing as well. Okay, you can see this, you can manage this as well. I just need to select 25 hours. Okay, and you can give your name. Okay, you can give your city. Okay, you can give your headline. Right, headline, what you can do, typing job. Okay, typing job you can give, or you can give, guys, graphic designer. Okay, graphic designer. Okay, I just gave this, and just click on the save button. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, is to just come up here in this portfolio section. Okay, you can see this portfolio, and you just need to download some of the projects. So where do we find these projects? Either it is of logo designs or any of these projects. You can see this, guys, I can download from canva.com. I can just download these portfolios. You can see this, whether it is of logo. So I will just show you how to create logo templates and just promote it on this website. Okay, free of cost, guys, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. Okay, so let me just give this thing and just click on this download button, and you can see this, you can download this project. So I have already downloaded it for you. You can see this. So I just need to click on this project part. Okay, and I just need to click on this browse. Okay, so I've already downloaded it for you guys. Okay, you can see this. So this is a mp4 file that I have already downloaded, and you can give animated logos. Okay, animated logos, and you can give a description that, guys, I can create animated logos. Okay, okay, so what you need to do, you just need to give I can create animated logos, and what you need to give, and having more than 5 years of experience. Okay, you just need to give I am having more than 5 years of experience. Okay, that's it. Okay, you just need to give this thing, and you can see this, and you can even give the URLs if you are having. So you can type skills like logo design, okay, and graphic design. These are the skills that you can give. Okay, graphic design, you can see. Okay, and just click on the save button. That's it. Okay, and you just need to come up here, guys, about you. Okay, so I just create a small description for you guys, at least 100 characters it should have. So I just quickly do it for you. So you can see this, guys, I have already created for you this a small description that I am a professional graphic designer having more than 5 years of experience and can create animated and business logos to grow your business. Okay, so this is a thing that you need to give, and just click on this save button. That's it. Okay, and you can see this, guys, I just need to click on the skills and categories. So guys, you need to set up your skills. Okay, you can give logo designing. Okay, you can give logo designing, you can give graphic designing. Okay, you can give graphic. Okay, you can give graphic designing. See this, you can give graphic designing, and you can also give typing job. Okay, typing job is easy. You can give blogs. Okay, if you are good in writing blogs, you can give blog writing. Okay, and you can give article writing as well. Okay, article writing. Okay, so and guys, you just need to select some of these categories. Okay, so what you can do in designing, you can select logo designing and just select intermediate level. Okay, and if you are good in writing, you can give creative writing. Okay, articles and blogs. So select it intermediate level. That's it. Okay, and just click on this save button. If you are expertise in some of the domains and you have certified training, then you can do it, guys. Okay, then you can also do it. So just cross this thing and your profile is ready. So you just need to click on this go to work page. So this is your work page, guys, and you can see this how much people are actually earning from this website. Okay, and you can see that hourly rate are defined. You can see 30 to 39 hours per week you just need to spend, and you are getting paid. $40 project this website is offering to you for a particular logo designing project, and you can see this fixed amount of income you can also get. Okay, so you just need to set up some proposals and you are getting paid for that. How to set up? Okay, so let us suppose I'm just coming up here in this overview section, and there are some recommended jobs for me that are now currently booming. You can see this SEO optimization product, and you can see this logo design vital leaders. Okay, so this is a data entry and fixed $40 job, logo design, which I just need to create a logos for them. Just click on this. Okay, and for applying you just need to click on this apply button. Okay, only one applicant has recently gave this. Okay, so you can see this, guys, how this golance.com set up its price $40, and you can see this $3.18 it will take, and $36 will give it to you on your bank account. Okay, so why it is, guys, basically, guys, what it is, the most important thing here is that there are some issues with this you can see this. There are some issues which actually the part of the payment it will take, and the rest it will give it to you, because guys this is also a premium website. Okay, so if you want whole subscription, that you want whole money, you need to give the premium subscription. I just don't want you to do that for the initial stages. If you're having a good amount of investment, then you can do it for yourself. Okay, so just click on this next button, and guys I just need to give the cover letter. So what cover letter you can give? I am a good graphic logo designer having more than 5 years of experience, you can say. Okay, and you can say that having more than 5 years of experience I'm having, and what type of things you can, and I can give the project with 100% accuracy. Okay, so you can give that I can give the project with 100% accuracy, that all the description that you have mentioned I can give you. Guys, you can type a good description for yourself as well, because I'm just showing you a demo that what is an approach of doing it. Okay, because the more you give the description on cover letter that I can create animated logos which will grow your business, I'm not doing it. I want you guys to do it, okay, on your own, so that you will get a job definitely. Okay, the ones who are facing problems, just click on this apply and your job is posted. That's it guys, that's it. What you do not have to do anything other thing, you do not have to do. Guys, the next important question is that how to get the payment. So just come up here, just click on this go wallet. Okay, and you can see this guys, there are some payment methods. Just click on this add payments, and you just need to click on this withdraw, and you can either get it on your bank account or a Payoneer account. Okay, I don't recommend the Bitcoin and another cryptocurrency, so you can transfer it on your bank account or your Payoneer account. Okay, so just click on this continue, and you just need to set up your bank account details, and that's it guys. Okay, and you are getting paid for that. You can see you can apply on various kind of jobs guys, the similar way I just show you. Just click on this apply and you will get the job. Okay, make sure that you have completed your profile guys, it's very important. Okay, at least guys 1 to 2 days it will do for verification of your projects that you have uploaded. Okay, every website, every freelancing website will do that thing guys. There is a trust issue and there are some scams that are going on, so in order to avoid these scams, this website will help you to generate these things. Okay, and as per the canva.com is concerned guys, you can post various kind of services. Okay guys, this is just one service. You can post resumes. Okay, you can transcribe using Google Translator, and there are other various kind of transcription tools that are available. Okay, which will do the transcription automatically for you. Okay, and there are hundreds and hundreds of websites guys. Okay, just do these kind of research, and guys if you are facing any problem while earning, just write down on the comment section, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content, as well as guys I can able to solve your problems that you are facing right now in order to earn money. Okay, so this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.